open Higgsfield AI and sign in to your account. If you're experiencing advanced video errors in Higgsfield AI, start by identifying exactly where the problem occurs. For example, the issue could happen while generating a video, uploading an image, processing a scene, exporting a project, or using a specific video generation feature. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt generation and cause unexpected errors. Next, refresh the Higgsfield AI page and try the same action again. If the problem continues, close your browser and reopen it. You can also try using a private or incognito browser window. If the feature works there, outdated browser data or an extension may be causing the problem. Make sure your browser is updated to the latest available version. If you're generating a video from a prompt, try a much simpler prompt first. For example, remove complex camera movements, multiple characters, complicated environments, and unnecessary instructions. If the simple generation works, gradually add your original instructions back to identify which part is causing the problem.